Hey guys, here is a quick video on how to replace your rear taillight brake bulb on a Suzuki Swift. This is a 2011 model Swift, and I'll show you how to do that now. So in order to change, we need to lift the boot, open that up, and this is pretty simple as well. So there's just two bolts or screws, one there, one at the bottom and one at the top. That's it. Now you've got the option of using a screwdriver or a socket. So as simple as a screwdriver like that. It's got a shorthand one there and a socket and a 10mm. So it's a 10mm. Reason why you'd use a socket is maybe if the bolt is too tight and the screwdriver threads it, or it's too tight and you can't undo it with a screwdriver. That's the only time, but this one I can. So it's just a case of unscrewing. It's as simple as unscrewing these two screws or bolts and then pulling towards you, pulling the tail lights out. There's one. Let's get the other one out. Now I'll try and pull the tail light out with one hand because I'm holding the phone in the other. I'll give it a shot, see how we go, or else I'll have to put the phone down. I don't have an assistant yet, I keep saying that. The update on the assistant side of things, still vacant. Can't get one. I'll do the job for free, but what's with that? Alright, so basically you're just pulling towards you because they're held in with two plastic grommets, I guess you could call them. So I'm just pulling, grab it where you can, and there's a grommet up here, and one down the bottom here. So you're pulling out towards you. Feels like you're going to break something, but you won't. There's one there, and then the other one, you feel it. So I'll just grab them different parts and pull towards you. Just keep going, that's it. So they are the two little grommets holding it in, that. And there's one up top here, which goes in there when you're putting it back, and down there. Okay, don't know if you can see that in the camera. So just have a look at which bulb it is. It's top one here. So the brake light was out. Got another bulb there. I'm just twisting. And then pulling out. I'll just get the new bulb. Okay. Now to give myself a bit more leverage here, because I'm doing the job myself, you can just remove the wiring from this little handle or plastic bit here by pushing to one side like that, and then just removing the cabling out of the way. So now I can sit it in the boot and give it a test. Okay, so let's go. So I should say, just to remove the bulb, you just need to twist, and then pull out. Okay, so I'll just grab the bulb now, for real, and put the new one in. Okay, so I've got the bulb. So that's the one I've got. Okay, so that's it there. Just put that in. Just twist it around until you feel the groove, and then once it sits in there, you twist to lock it in place. So I'm just going to test it now. Now I'm going to use my old brick trick because I don't have an assistant, and I'm just going to place it on the brake pedal to push it down. Okay, and we'll see. Now you need to have as far as I know, the ignition in, and at least on with the lights, auxiliary lights on to test the brake lights. Okay, I've got the brake on, and you can see the brake lights on with the top brake light. I'm not sure what exactly their technical term is for that, but there's your brake lights there. Okay, so it's definitely working, and I'll just show you the difference between the brightness between that and the tail light itself. Okay, so that's the tail light brightness, and then because I'm doing it myself, I can't really tell, right? So put the brake pedal down again, and there we go, just to prove that that's on. And that's the brightness of the brake light, so that's proof that it's working. Alright guys, and then you just put it back all the same way you took it out. Okay, so let's just turn that off. Take the brick off. We've got a brick assistant, free. Put that back in. Just twist until you feel the groove. There it is, and then twist again. There it is. And twist again till it locks in. Now I've got to use 2 hands to put this cabling back around that. Okay, so give me a sec. Okay guys, I've got the cabling back in there, so it's time to put everything back. Okay, so you just got to line up the plastic grommet there and at the bottom, but you'll be able to see how it fits in. You'll feel it click in, so just line up where the bolts are, usually go, that's it, and push into place. That one's gone in, and then check the bottom, that's it, feel that, or heard that, and then put the screws or bolts back in. Okay, so just put the screws back in. Just got rudely interrupted by the kids there. They don't know I'm doing a video, right, for YouTube. What's a priority here? YouTube videos are a priority, man. Come on. Kids, close second, right? So put these bolts back in, and you've replaced pretty much the bulb yourself. Okay, good sense of achievement, all that stuff. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Until the next video, okay? Catch ya.